Hi there, welcome back to Dori Recommends. In this issue of InSPAration Moments, Dori Sukup here. And in this issue, I'm talking about how extra effort does pay off. So for years, I've been telling everybody, you've got to get published, you have to speak, you have to position yourself as an expert. And as you can tell, I do practice what I preach. And this is the proof in me practicing what I preach. We are launching the How to Make Millions with Your Medi Spa. So I'm doing something very special with this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do a whole webinar on how to launch your own book, because this is going to be such a successful launch for us. It's totally going to change my business for 2020. I have full confidence that's just going to make us totally soar into the multiple seven figures. So I'm super excited. And what I want you to do is go to Amazon. I want you to buy the book. It's going to be posted there. All you have to do is search How to Make Millions with Your Medi Spa, Dori Sukup, and it's going to come up. I would like you to buy the book on Amazon. It's going to be $19.95. And then you're going to take the code from the Amazon purchase and you're going to come back to a landing page. This will be all described in the email below here or in the newsletter. And what I want you to do is, once you put that code in that you purchased the book, of course the book is going to be shipped to you. You're going to have a hard copy. And I'm going to give you a bunch of bonuses that go with it. My goal is to sell as many copies of this book as possible. And I figured if I entice you with some great bonuses, you'll be able to actually go and purchase it. Some of the bonuses are going to be access to the Recipes for Success. I'm launching a brand new series with Recipes for Success. So I'm going to give you access to the volume 1. There's 10 modules. This is valued at over $1,000. So I'm going to give you access to the Recipes for Success. And then I'm going to give you $500 in dollars, Dori dollars, to apply towards a leap ahead. And I'm also going to give you $500 that you can apply towards a Millionaire Circle seminar. So those are going to be all the bonuses. So that's over $2,000 in bonuses. And all you have to do is go and purchase the book on Amazon, come back and put that code in, and then all these bonuses will be sent to you. So I'm super excited. I hope that you can make this book launch the best book launch ever. And believe me, this book is definitely a good thing to have in your success library. I worked very hard on creating this book for you, and you're gonna absolutely love its content. As a matter of fact, I'm so confident that it is gonna help you reach the millions of dollars. It's all about, have you noticed the theme in this issue? It's all about scaling up. It's all about monitoring our finances. It's all about making more profit. And it's all about reaching the multiple 7 figures. That's what I want for you. That's going to be the mission of 2020 for anybody in our community, to just knock it out of the park. Kill it. That's what I want for you. So make sure you go to Amazon. Again, the name of the book is How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa by yours truly, Dori Sukup. So again, thank you so much for all your support. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I wish you the absolute best. Thank you so much for joining me for this issue of InSPAration Moment, and stay tuned for the special. Until then, stay inspired.